NEET biology class. Spiral cleavage and radial cleavage. First of all, let's go with the spiral cleavage. For this, a little knowledge of embryology required here. Let me again, zygote. When zygote divides, it forms two cells. When two cells divides, again it forms four cells. First of all, let us see what is cleavage. Cleavage means during the process of cell division, the crevice which is appeared we call cleavage. At this stage, at the 4-cell stage, let us try to learn that particular cleavage patterns here. This is the 4-cell stage. At 4-cell stage, this is the polar axis of the embryo. This is called polar axis. To the polar axis, if the cleavage pattern is oblique, this is the keyword to learn spiral cleavage. If the cleavage pattern is oblique to the polar axis, if the cleavage pattern is oblique to the polar axis, we say such type of cleavage, oblique, 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 which divides that particular cell into 8 cells. From the 4 cell to the 8 cells, how it appears? That oblique cleavage. So now we see the 8 cells here. So such kind of cleavage is called spiral cleavage. Such kind of cleavage is said to be spiral cleavage. Let me define again. If the cleavage pattern is oblique to the polar axis of the zygote, if the cleavage pattern is oblique to the polar axis of the embryo, we call such type of cleavage is spiral cleavage. Such type of cleavage is considered as spiral cleavage. Then let us see what is radial cleavage. Radial, again zygote, 2 cell, 4 cell. From the 4-cell stage, 4-cell stage, if you take, these are the 4-cell stage of embryo, then this particular 4-cell stage, again polar axis, to the polar axis. What is radial? Radial means straight line. To the polar axis, if the cleavage patterns are radial, such cleavage we say radial cleavage. Such cleavage we call radial cleavage. So let me, for spiral cleavage, cleavage pattern is oblique to the polar axis. If the cleavage pattern is radial, we call such kind of cleavage as radial cleavage. Let us locate this in kingdom Animalia. As we said earlier, that grade Bilateria is having 2 divisions, division Protostomia and division Deuterostomia. So in the division Protostomia, type of cleavage is spiral cleavage. In division Deuterostomia, the type of cleavage is radial cleavage. So the spiral cleavage, example for the spiral cleavage, simply we say division Protostomia. When it comes to the phylum examples, from phylum Platyhelminthes to mollusca are having such type of cleavage. Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca are having spiral cleavage. When it comes to the radial cleavage is belongs to division Deuterostomia. Then when it phyla examples, if you take Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. So this is about spiral cleavage and radial cleavage. And let's discuss determinate and indeterminate in the next class. Let us focus only on spiral and radial here. Spiral and radial. If the cleavage patterns are oblique to the polar axis, we say such kind of cleavage as spiral cleavage. Examples from phylum Platyhelminthes to mollusca. And if the cleavage patterns are radial, we call such kind of cleavage is radial cleavage. Such type of cleavage is called radial cleavage. And belongs to division Deuterostomia. Phyla examples: Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and Chordata are the examples for radial cleavage. Thank you. Srikanth.